KKB Realty presents the Palladium Tower, which is located on the road of Gymkhana of Piplod. Palladium Tower, which is the tallest 19-story superstructure building in Piplod, and each flat has a large balcony from which you can enjoy the natural view. It has two towers of 4 and 4.5 BHK with servant room. This premises have 3,791 square feet to 5,221 square feet. Talking about the amenities, each flat is allotted 3-car parking with EV charging point. This is the reception area. Deck balcony. Natural light in all room. Cafe. Cricket pitch with net. Gym with equipments. Indoor games. Children play area with equipments. Yoga room. Banquet hall. And many more amenities. For more details, contact Aditya Property Management 9909016161.